you can see we have completed his total uniform. So that's how he looks like. He is now completed. He can move his hands, his elbows, his hands. You can do this, this, this. He can sit. So this was the idea in this video. That's how you can make things. Now I have two more examples for you. As I told you in first that we can only draw at the first side only, this side, just like I've drawn it right here. I haven't done it from behind. So let me show you how will he look like. I have two examples to show you. Let me show you this person here. Is a little bit smaller, but he is holding a gun in his hand. And inshallah in next video I will tell you how to fix gun in their hands, and it can be removed and you can make him hold again, just like that. He can hold gun like this. Looks like real, doesn't he? Just like the real soldier. One more person. Now take a look at this guy. Now you can make as you want to. There are so many uniform types in military, so it's totally up to you how you want to draw things. And I have completed this one, so as you can see from behind it is totally completed uniform, from behind, from front, and also he can move, he can run. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section that these soldiers look good or not, and will you try it. So I hope you will try it. They look very real. So thanks for watching this video. Bye guys. Allah Hafiz.